What up? So what's going on, guys? I know it's been a minute since you guys, since I took this thing for a spin, but I did put in the clutch. We put a Stage 3 Plus in it, and all I gotta do now is break the clutch in before I start, before we start gapping these Mustangs and these STIs, Honda Civic, name it, whatever. But yeah, the only thing we gotta do, now is I gotta replace the manifold, and also I gotta put an AEB head. So the head gonna be coming out, and in the process of doing that, we're gonna put connecting rods, and then after that, we're gonna have to get it dyno tuned. But yeah, man, it's gonna take a minute because I don't got the money for that shit. So make sure you guys subscribe. Actually, I gotta take it for a spin right now, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. I gotta go to DMV. So yeah, let me give you a cold start real fast.